My name is Balvinder Singh. She is my wife Trilochan Kaur. Basically, we are from Faridabad, Haryana, and we came here to Siliguri to stay with my son, who is an IPS officer. So things were going all well, and unfortunately, on 14th of January, me and my wife tested COVID positive. We started taking the precautions, got isolated at home itself. On 27th, I felt some chest pain and came to Neotia, this hospital. On 28th, all the tests were done, like ECG, CT scan, and then angiography was done. It was found some blockage in 3 arteries. On 28th, COVID negative report was there. So I shifted to ICU. Medicine started as per the advice of the doctors, right? And ultimately the decision by the panel of the doctors was taken that I have to go for the bypass surgery. And they decided before they go for the bypass surgery, the effect of corona should be at a lower level. So till 6th of February, I was in the hospital. On 6th, I was discharged, sent home. On 13th of the February, I was recalled. All the tests were done. Again, I sent back to my house and was advised to come here for the admission on 15th. On 15th, I came, got admitted, and on 17th, my bypass surgery was conducted. The team was consist of very competent doctors, Dr. Trehan, Dr. Bagchi, Dr. Abhishek Bali, Dr. Rohit Dhankar, and Dr. Parmanik. They worked as a very strong bonding as a teamwork, okay, and the surgery was successful. And then I was in ICU for next 2-3 days, and then shifted to the ward. And with the grace of God and the efforts of all these doctors, right, I came out from the duck. I am very much thankful to all the panel of the doctors, okay, those who worked like anything. And apart from that, like the nursing, other services people, right, like food and all that, right, I am highly satisfied, and I wish the management of this hospital, which is having a very high future, okay, and definitely I will advise the people to come this such a nice hospital if they find any problems. So once again, I thank the management, whole the doctor staffs, nurses, and all the administrative staffs of this hospital doing such a wonderful work. Thank you very much.